see but it's Super Bowl Sunday.
Okay.
And can you guess who I am? It's 7 o'clock on the dot. I'm in my drop top. Cruising the streets. Dun, 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 dun. I got a real pretty little thing that's waiting for me. And because it's Super Bowl, and because it's Super Bowl Sunday, we have some hot wings with the blue cheese. We have some hot wings with the blue cheese, and let's get started. Look, to me, this costume was gonna look way better. Now, I was gonna give Usher, okay? Usher, USHERRAYMOND. And baby, what you ready to do with me? Whatever he be saying, right?
Okay.
But I'm giving Ray J, okay? I'm still fine though.
Girl, shut the fuck up.
Okay. I'm a mess. I got these hot wings. We ain't even gonna pay attention to these. I be trying, y'all. I promise. I can't see nothing. I just want a robot. Oh, pop lock. Okay. It's 7 o'clock.
Not on my watch.
Alright, what do y'all think? What songs are y'all hoping to hear? I look at my. I look at my. But that's alright, because I can't even see myself. What songs of Usher's are y'all hoping to hear? Y'all want to keep them new school, old school? Because Usher is old, okay? Usher is old. Okay? Are you hoping for a little... Let it burn? That's a little too much. Don't nobody want to hear that on the Super Bowl.
Oh.
I can't see. Let me get this on my eye a little bit. Are you hoping to hear she likes it my way, my way?
Girl, shut the fuck up.
Or how you make one be the one I'm with? Start a new relationship with you. This is what we do. Think about why I gotta be pop locking. I am pop locking the fuck out this video. Or do you want to hear what's his newest shit? Look, I'm an old school Usher type person, so don't ask me about no new stuff. No tea, no shade. Okay. Okay. These wings are... I thought they was gonna be a little bit spicier. They ain't giving me the kick I needed, but that's fine. Y'all excited about the Super Bowl though?
No, ma'am.
I know, look, I'm an Eagles fan. Eagles, look at me. I can't see shit. Eagles didn't make it this year, but that's alright. We can let other people have a chance. Okay. Tell you the truth, I don't even know who's playing right now. Cause I'm just waiting for Usher to come out. What if he do?
Let's get it.
Something. How you doing? Can we be lovers and friends?
Is this bitch for real right now?
Right, with Usher and Lil Jon. That was my song. I love that song he did with Nicki. Little Freak. With that Stevie Wonder beat. my little freak. Be my little freak. Excuse me, let the mama pataka book a dookie. Adaka dicka dicka da da but say the dookie. Whatever nigga be saying, she killed it. I'm excited. I love Usher. I really do. Usher been around for a while. A long ass time. So he probably gonna put on a good show. He's a great entertainer. Great dancer. Okay. Yeah. You see this A hat? I made this myself. Can you tell? I won't buy. Them hats is expensive. I can't. I bought my little $8 hat. Well, look at that. I bought. Oh, this in the chicken.
I mean, that's nasty.
What is this? Y'all can't see. That's a whole blonde hair. Absolutely not.
Trash.
I buy my hat and I paint whatever I want on it. Cause I'm not buying no damn $30 hat. Get into the outfit though. I need some more. Comment below your favorite Usher song. If you're not an Usher fan, why are you here? Huh? I'm getting full. Okay. But y'all gotta get ready to watch this game. I can't hold y'all here all day. I gotta get ready to watch this game. Get into the halftime show. Okay. Do the A-Town stomp. Do the A-Town stomp. See, y'all can't see my legs, but I'm f***ing it up under here. Okay. All right, I'm killing it. I'm done.